Hello everyone, welcome back to Advanced Excel. Today I'm gonna show you the trick how to change the entire default font style and font size of Excel. By default, the Excel font style is Calibri. If I want to change that, then follow out my steps. First of all, I will go into the file, then I will select options. Now here I will change the font style I want to write as I am selecting Time New Roman. You can select whatever you want to select and then I will change the font size according to my will. Then I will press OK. Now I will close the sheet and open a new sheet. Then in a new sheet you have seen that the Excel has changed the default font style and font size. So, thank you for watching, and if you want more videos like this, then subscribe and comment the topics you want to learn.